I'm out here with my babies, my little bird puppies, the bats. First time I cleaned them since I had them, which is probably like 2 Halloweens now, 2 years. Or is it 3? Probably 3 Halloweens. Anyway, they're wet right now and they're getting dry. Because I want to take them with me. Gotta make sure they're clean. Ooh. Hopefully it's gonna be hot. So they can dry properly. My babies. Ooh. I'm trying to get them in direct sunlight so they can dry. I think I cleaned you a little too good. Got some of the fluff off. But yeah, hopefully they'll smell like fresh air. Nice. I don't know how long I gotta leave them out here, but they're pretty wet. Pretty soaked. You can tell by how wet the bricks are getting. I had the other baby there, then I moved him here because I was like, I need my baby to get some sun. Leave it to me, have little stuff, animal babies.